Well, hello, and today is a special day because I have hit 1,000 subscribers and I want to take time to give you thanks. So thank you everyone for watching my clock videos. Thank you so much for subscribing and the comments and questions and all the feedback. This has just been a fun journey for me. It was a little bit of an experiment to make these professional videos about clocks, and I've really enjoyed it. And I just want to thank you all for helping me and just taking an interest in clocks with me. And there's one person in particular who's been a great advocate for my channel, and you may know him. It's Mark Munnerlin. He has promoted my videos and has been basically a champion for my clock videos for a long time. So thank you, Mark. And if you haven't subscribed to his channel, please check it out. He is my go-to reference for all things regarding cuckoo clocks. Whatever problem you might be facing, and they can have a lot of problems, as you may know, but he's probably encountered it and shown you how to fix it in a video. So please check him out, link in the description. But I want to share a little bit of information about me, let you get to know me a little more. Well, my name is Seth, if you don't already know that, and this is my dog, Dax. He's a dachshund, about 8 years old, and he's going to be appearing on a shirt soon with a clock. And so that'll be coming out soon. But also, how did I get into clocks? My journey actually started more with quartz clocks. This clock behind me is made out of a bicycle wheel and a quartz high torque movement. I spray painted the hands orange, and I used to make a few of these and resell them. This is the first one I made, and I've kept it, although I do need to replace the battery and clean out some leaky battery acid that can happen if you leave the battery in too long. But this is one that I've kept that I made. I did make, for a while, I made several, I think I called them computer clocks. I would take old motherboards from computers. I'm a bit of a computer geek. And I would drill a 1/4-inch hole in them, and I would put in a quartz movement. And I'd paint the hands different colors, and you could hang them on the wall. Some would sit on a shelf. Just cool little quirky clocks with a computer motherboard. And I sold those for a while. But then my dad, he has been into clocks a lot longer than me. He got me a small cuckoo clock. And that kind of pushed me in the right direction to get me into mechanical clocks. And I started buying some that just needed work and repairing them and selling them and just getting more and more interested in them. And that's kind of how I got into clocks. And it's just been a fantastic journey for me. I love old clocks, just the mechanics of it, just the mystery of all these gears coming together, the craftsmanship. It's just beautiful. And I just, yeah, it just brings me joy. And I'm so thrilled to share this with you via video and try to do it in a professional manner. So once again, thank you so much for supporting my channel and watching. I'm going to have more videos coming out, and may the Lord bless you and keep you, and I hope you have a wonderful week.